Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just had a subscriber send me a link to this video. It's important that you follow this entire video because the information in this video is great. And then I'm going to show you 5 facts about why this information could actually wind up costing you millions of dollars. And I urge you to stick around for the end of this because there's a strategy that's basically just mind-blowing and it's going to cost you some money. So let's jump into it. So I urge you to watch this entire video because, like I said previous, I'm going to give you 5 facts about why this information is wrong, how it could wind up costing you literally millions of dollars. Above that, I'm going to show you exactly how you can quit chasing car count, quit begging customers for reviews, or pleading with them for new customer referrals. So let's get jumping in here and watch this video.
You need more cars in your shop this week, but you don't have a lot of money or a lot of time to go out and get them. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk about 3 quick and easy and, most importantly, free ways to get those customers in right away.
First of all, great information because, well, this is going to be free. Well, as long as it doesn't wind up costing me.
Hi, my name is Ron Ipack. Thanks for watching today's video. Now, as I mentioned, there are 3 quick and easy and free ways to get customers in your shop. But before we talk about that, we need to decide who we want to attract to our shop. Now, because we're looking for a quick and easy and free way to get customers in the shop on this video, I'm going to tell you there's only one group of people that you want to be attracting to your shop. And they are your customers, people that have already done business with you, people that already know, love, and trust you.
100% right. There is no other way to do it than to use and attract your existing customers. Let's understand something. There's only 3 ways that you can grow your business. Number 1, you can increase prices. Well, you know what's going on in the economy, and I don't think you want to do that. Number 2, you can go out and get more new customers. But I'm telling you now, no matter what business strategy you're working with, getting more new customers is the most expensive thing that you can ever do. What Ron's talking about here basically is taking the people that already know, trust, and love you and sell them more. So of the 3 strategies, raise your prices, number 1. Number 2, get more new customers, the most expensive thing you'll ever do. Number 3, sell more to the customers that you already have. The information is bang on 100%. Hold on a sec, though.
Why am I talking about getting your own customers back in the shop? Because it's 10 times easier, 10 times less expensive, and 10 times faster to get somebody that you already have a relationship with back to your shop than it is to go out and get a brand new customer. Now that we've covered who we want to attract, let's talk about those 3 free, quick, and easy ways to get them into the shop. Number 1, send them a text. Everybody's got a mobile phone. Everybody uses text. Just go ahead and send them a good offer via text and let them know that all they need to do is come in the shop or be one of the first 10 people to respond, and they're going to get a special offer just by responding so quickly.
I almost fell off my chair. If you don't know, I'm deeply involved in the text messaging industry. And I'm going to tell you now, this actually made me literally fall off my chair. And I told you I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this is wrong and could end up costing you literally millions of dollars. Number 1, if you're sending a marketing message, and a marketing message is basically anything that is enticing somebody to buy something, you have to have an opt-in. Now, this isn't me telling you. This is compliance with DNC rules, which is the Do Not Call Registry, or the TCPA, which is Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or above that, the CITA, which is the Cellular Telecommunications Industry Association, established in 1984. You have to have an opt-in. That's number 1. Number 2, that opt-in must give you prior express written consent. What's that mean? That means that you asked that customer, hey, can I send you a marketing message? And they replied yes. They opted in. That's number 2. You have to have an opt-in. And to get that opt-in, you have to use language that is specific about them consenting to receive your marketing messages. Number 3, your system must have a terms of service. You have to be able to tell your customer what you're doing, how you're doing it, and that they can opt out. Number 4, there must be a privacy policy attached to every text. That is critical. Number 5, there has to be a simple, clear and easy to use opt-out. But here's something I'm going to tell you that nobody wants to talk about. So what other problems are there with this entire strategy of just sending people a text message about coming into your shop? Well, a 3% unsubscribe rate, that means 100 texts and you get 3 people unsubscribe, puts your text number at risk with the carriers. The second thing is, and here you're going to want to pay attention to this one, under the TCPA, there are fines that can be leveled of $1,500 per text message. So do some quick math. If you have 1,000 customers in your database and you send out that message, 1,000 times $1,500 per text message is $1.5 million. I'm not sure that you really want to cut that check. So that could be a serious consequence of doing business the way this video says. But hold on, there's a couple other things here.
Now, finally, let's talk about the offer. You've got to give them a reason to respond right now.
I agree 100%. The offer is critical, and actually not even mentioned here. Even more critical than the actual offer is the headline that you use to attract. Look, I speak about this all the time. If you read a newspaper, you don't read a newspaper from front to back. You scan through the headlines and then you read what is of interest to you. Same thing when you put an offer out. The offer's got to be good, 100%, but the headline is what really matters. Let's get back to the video.
So if you really, really, really need those customers, give them a killer offer to get them in the door. If you don't need them that bad, well, give them a really wimpy offer to get them in the door. Now, I'll leave that up to you. Some of our clients give up to $50 to have somebody come in the door because, look, you can't make any money off a car that's driving down the street, right? You got to get that car into the shop. And by giving away $50 off of any service.
Did you hear that? $50? Look. So giving a customer $50 off, or I think he goes on to say a free oil change, that might be circa 1989, but we're living in 2024. There's different ways to do it, and how you do it is using the perfect auto service offer. Let me explain. Hey, look, I don't run your repair shop, but if you're going to get customers by giving them $50 to come in the door, are you really attracting the bottom feeders and the car owners that don't have any money anyways? Or would you like to use a strategy like the perfect auto service offer where you'll never chase car count, beg customers for reviews, or plead with them for new customer referrals, and do it all, put car count in your shop, using your current prices, never offering any freebies or giveaways or discounts? If you want a copy of this, plus unlimited access to a micro training I did that walks you through everything step by step, and above that, I'll even give you unlimited access to a private workshop I held for my private clients that takes the entire strategy and methodology of the perfect auto service offer and shows you how to just blow it up. To get that, all you have to do is go down below this video and go ahead and leave a comment and use the word access in that comment, and I'll connect with you and send you a link. So you get the whole thing without any opt-in. There's no email address, no phone number, no credit card, no kidding. As an alternative, use the link below and connect with me on Facebook. Drop me a DM, use the word access, and I'll connect you with the link to this entire strategy. I'm Matthew the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Take care. Talk real soon.